After the grand success of last Z Blaze smartwatch, the company is back with the latest Z Blaze Vibe 3 HR. The Z Blaze Vibe 3 was released at the start of year 2017 and widely become popular due to its great specs and larger than life battery output. Now the question is, will the latest smartwatch Z Blaze Vibe 3 HR continue with this tradition, or it's just an ordinary smartwatch? Let us find out in this full in-depth review, shall we? Hey, what's up guys, this is Amit here and welcome back to the Indian Buyer channel. The Z Blaze has launched this new budget smartwatch a few months ago, and today in this video I'll unbox and give my full review on this product. The smartwatch actually comes in two variants. One is with the heart rate monitor and the other is without the HR. The only difference between both the models is that the non-HR variant has a simple LCD display with a CR2450 battery, whereas the HR variant has a IPS color display with a rechargeable lithium polymer battery. Rest everything else is same. The price difference between both the variant is Rs 800. The package arrived to me from the Banggood. The watch took near about 20 days before reaching to me because it was traveling from a Chinese warehouse. The weight was so much excruciating. After that we get the box from the Shadowfax, which took another 5 days to reach to my address. Finally, the Z Blaze Vibe 3 HR arrives nicely tucked in a black polyethylene bag. So the Z Blaze Vibe 3 HR comes in this sort of box. It says Vibe 3 HR over here and nothing on the side. At the back there is a sticker with a little information related to the product, and that's it. There's nothing much written on it. Now let's start with the unboxing. I want to thank Banggood for sending me this product for review. Okay, on opening the box we got the Vibe 3 HR smartwatch at the top. It comes in three different colors. I've got the black color variant which really looks stealthy. Let me just take it out of the box. So here it is guys. By the way, the smartwatch feels quite light in hand, weighs only around 75 grams, and there we go. So this is how the Z Blaze Vibe 3 HR looks like. Wow, it looks solid in hand. It's got a tough and rugged design, and yes, it's also waterproof with IPX67 rating. The Z Blaze Vibe 3 HR watch comes out to be 15mm in diameter and is about 13 to 14mm thick. There is no inscription on the sides of the smartwatch, only on the front side. Under the glass you can see the brand name. On the bezels they squeeze out some neat words describing the purpose of the buttons. The watch case has a diamond-like carbon coating and has a stainless steel backplate. Okay, we'll come back to the watch in a moment. First, let's see what else do we have in the box. You get a user manual. Just make sure to read that for full information about the product. We also get a USB cable for charging the smartwatch, which has magnetic connects on the other side. So these are all the items that you got in the box. Now let's check out the smartwatch. So first thing first, I was literally amazed by its masculine design. I already own a smart band which is the MI Band 3. It's a phenomenal piece of tech, no doubt about it, but the design, it's too feminine for me. Well, no offense here. From the spec sheet, the smartwatch impresses me a lot with its functionality as well as with its excellent workmanship. So the Vibe 3 HR has a sporty design. In fact, it is identical to the previous model of the Z Blaze. Anyway, I really like the bezels on it. It gives the premium feel to the watch. As you can see, the display has a flat type design with the Z Blaze logo at the bottom. It's got 4 buttons on it, 2 on the left and 2 on the right hand side. They are made up of stainless steel and have a tactile feedback to it. They are quite a quality made, moderately tight and works well. All the buttons functions are minimal and precise. Now talking about the display, it's got 1.22-inch IPS color display with a resolution of 240 by 240, and I have to say it looks pretty good for the price. The screen looks sharp, the text is easily readable, the color also looks very nice, and the brightness is also decent. There is no problem in perceiving the information from the device. And one more awesome thing is it's got Corning Gorilla Glass 4 protection on the top. That is really surprising for the price. I totally didn't expect that. The glass is crystal clear with side glare, doesn't hold fingerprint and get easily clean. Now let me show you all the buttons. To the left you got the power and back buttons, and on the right you got up and down menu navigation button. There's nothing else on it. Coming to the back side, this is how it looks like. It's got a stainless steel lid with the HR monitor at the center and charging contacts at the top. As you can see, it says the watch is IP67 rated, water resistant. Yeah, don't worry, we'll definitely put this watch to the water test later in the video. Talking about the band, it's elastic and quite modern in look, has 26mm of width, which is made up of TPU material and feels soft and durable. Personally, I like the iconic groove design embossed on the strap. However, the inside part is smooth, so the strap feels really pleasant on hand without any discomfort whatsoever. Moreover, the buckle is reliable and does not unfasten easily. You will get a lot of holes in the belt, making it fit any size of the hand. The total length of the straps comes to be 260mm in length. In addition, the tongue of the belt in the loop sits tightly and does not slide. To power it on, you just need to press the power button for about 2 to 3 seconds and you're good to go. The watch has booted up pretty quickly. Now what I will do is I'll just set it up, use it for some time, and I'll be back to continue the video. Okay guys, I'm back and I'm wearing the watch in my hand, and this is how it looks like. It's definitely big in size and look good. The strap also feels comfortable. The Y3HR also has a raise to wake feature, so whenever you lift your hand like this, it automatically wakes up the display. Now that's pretty handy. You don't need to press any button to check the time, and if you don't want to use this feature, you can even turn it off from the app settings. Now let's talk about the display and then I'll show you its app and features. So this is how the home screen looks like. The watch faces are also customizable. This is the default one, which shows date and time, battery level, and all the fitness related info right on the home screen. The Z-Blaze Y3HR has 3 different watch faces, and we can change them directly from the watch itself, just like that. So these are the 3 different available watch faces. All of them are digital style clocks. They look nice and colorful, but I wish the company had also added some analog ones too. Okay, now let me show you the menu and all its feature. You can access the menu by pressing either up or down button. So first it shows you the number of steps per day. Also guys, if you notice, each of these modes have their own 3D animation, which feels nice and gives a bit of life to the menu. Next, it shows how many calories you have burned per day, the distance traveled in kilometer. Then we have the HR monitor. We'll check it out in a moment. It also has a smart sleep monitoring feature, which is really nice, and this is the message app, which shows all sort of messages from different sources on your smartphone. Next on the list we have the sports section, using which you can keep a track of variety of activities, which include walking, running, climbing, football, badminton, basketball, table tennis, cycling, and a lot more. All you need to do is press the power button to start recording your activity. This watch also has a stopwatch function on it, which you can start by the power button and reset using the up or down buttons. It also has a Find My Phone feature, which lets you find your phone by ringing it when connected via Bluetooth. And finally we have the power off. So that was the complete overview of the watch and all its features. Now let's test the HR monitor. The heart rate monitor is present only on the HR variant, and you can access it from the menu like this. And then press the power button to start monitoring your heart rate. The HR monitor on it was working very well. It was giving accurate results almost 85 to 90% of the time. Now for setting up the time, date, and using all the other functions, you have to download the app on your smartphone. The name of the app is Wear Health. It's available on both Play Store and App Store. Let me open this first. So this is how the interface looks like. It's a very simple app with minimalistic UI. On the home screen itself, it shows you all the fitness related information like the number of steps as you go, the distance traveled, sleep analysis, and the heart rate information. All the data from the watch automatically gets synced with the app as soon as you connect them via Bluetooth. Well, I don't see the point in showing you how to set this device. It is same like setting up any other smartwatch. So like this, you can keep a track on your fitness activity on a daily, weekly, or even monthly basis. In the Sports tab, you can keep a track on the variety of sports activities, including information like location, distance traveled, and more. The app uses GPS on your phone to save such information. There is no built-in GPS on the watch. Now let me show you the Settings tab. From here you can set your personalized fitness goals and targets. Coming to the device management, you got a lot of settings here which include continuous heart rate monitoring. Yes, you got continuous heart rate measurement on it, but using that will definitely drain your battery a bit faster. Along with that, you got raise to wake display, on off call alerts, SMS alerts. So yes, the watch will notify you whenever you get a call or message on your phone. You can also set alarm on it, change time format and units. So those were all the settings. Now there's one more special feature called shake to shoot photos. In this mode, you have to use the watch as a remote to shoot photos on your phone. You just need to shake your watch like this and your phone gets ready to take a photo. Pretty cool, right? So that was the detailed look at the app and all its special feature. It's a good app and all the features were working fine. Now let me show you how the call notification appears on the watch. So whenever you get a call on your phone, the watch starts vibrating and alerts you like this. And it even shows the name of the caller. You can only dismiss the notification. There's no option to answer or reject call. And this is how you get the message notification. It shows the content of the message and also the name of the person sending it. Here also you can only view the message. There's no option to reply from the watch. Now it's the time to put this watch to the waterproof test. The Z-Blaze Vibe 3 HR is IP67 rated water resistance. That means it is dust proof and can be dropped in water up to 1 meter for about 30 minutes. And to test that, we'll be dropping the watch in this bowl full of water. So let's see if the watch survives. The good thing is you can even use the watch underwater using its button. It's IP67 rated, so even if you take a shower with the watch, nothing's gonna happen to it. But the company says it's not recommended to use the watch while swimming or diving. Okay, now let's take the watch out and see if it's still working. Well, looks like everything is perfectly fine and the watch is working normally. So we can conclude that the Vibe 3 HR has successfully passed the water test. Now coming to battery life, it has built-in 180 mAh battery. On an average, I was getting around 3 to 4 days of battery life on a full charge with all its features, including the notification turned on. But if you disable all those features and use it only as a simple watch, you will get around 5 to 6 days of battery life. And for a complete charge, it took around 1.5 hours. You can charge the smartwatch with the existing USB cable with a length of 60 cm. The charging cable connects with the device using the magnets, and it is very reliable and convenient to use. So that was my review on the Z-Blaze Vibe 3 HR budget smartwatch. I must admit it is a really good watch for the price and the build quality is nice. It is IP67 rated, water resistant, has a heart rate monitor and can keep track of variety of sports activities and offer exceptionally good battery life. In short, everything is effortless and everything works quite well. The only thing I felt the company could have added was more number of watch faces, and also I wish it had a touchscreen. Rest everything else was good for the price. The Vibe 3 HR costs 3700 on Amazon India, but you can also purchase this watch from the Banggood for merely 20 to 100 rupees. So like always, I will leave links to all of these in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that was it for today. Thank you guys for watching my video. Hope you liked it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one.